Welcome to Ballroom Basics Week 2. This week we are going to be going over how to better understand the dynamic of steps that are used primarily in almost every single ballroom or social dance, whichever you want to call it, style of dance. So we are going to be going over box steps, progressions, box turns. We'll talk about weaves, and then we're going to actually dive into arms and the different placements that we're able to have for our arm positions. And we're going to close out the week talking about different types of ballroom shoes, as that makes a difference in what we're doing and some of the stylism. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about those box steps. I will see you then.